First, take the rolled steel base that has been designed not only to reduce weight, but also increase stability, utilising the downward angle of its four corners. Place the base on the floor and take the first piece of upright, which also includes setup information. Push this into the base socket to the indicated red line. This now creates a stable friction fitting. Next, take the middle piece of upright and simply push together and twist. Then, to complete in this instance a 2 meter high twist stand, take the top piece, push down and twist. All twist stands come complete with integrated lighting, so add the transformer cables and the LED light. Finally, take the twist graphic with its patented glass reinforced tension bar and attach by hooking onto the top cap. Then, pulling the graphic down, slide across and lock into the base. We now have graphic movement both up and down and side to side. The double-sided twist. All twist stands, regardless of their height, allow you to hang graphics on the front and rear, creating a double-sided stand. Just take your additional graphic, locate onto the top cap and straighten if needed. Slide down and lock. If additional lights are required, then just plug them into the top cap. Any number of twist stands have the ability to seamlessly link together. Just push the stands together and apply our Easy Link bars, creating a strong magnetic force. In this case, the two twist stands now become one. Adding a Flexi-Link. Twist stands can also be linked together using a Flexi-Link panel. The Flexi-Link comprises of a rubber hanger and kicker that allows movement. Just attach the Flexi-Link graphic in between two twist stands and then link together using our magnetic Easy Link system. This creates a 3-panel kit. Flexibility. By using a Flexi-Link graphic in between twist stands, any number of configurations are available. Whether a straight or simple convex or concave shape is required, or more extreme examples such as right angles, kinks or towers, the twist stands will always provide complete flexibility. The example shown here is a 3-panel kit, which comprises of 2 twist stands and a Flexi-Link. But any number of twist stands can be joined together to create much larger configurations. Please note, whilst moving the stands around, they still remain firmly locked together. You may have an instance where graphics do not sit or align correctly. This is easily rectified because all twist stands are self-leveling, so just take any slack in the graphic, pull taut and carry upwards until the graphic sits and